Uncork new sales opportunities with an enhanced wine selection from Jackson Family Wines. VGM Club and Jackson Family Wines have partnered to bring the golf and country club industry a program that will not only be pleasing to your members' palates, but also profitable to your bottom line. Your local Jackson Family Wines representative is available to offer your club a comprehensive array of educational, culinary, and seasonal information regarding catering and life celebrations, locker cellar programs, wine menu engineering, and more. Upon consultation with your Jackson Family Wines representative, a wine list can be custom created for your club. You can also gain access to Jackson Family Wine's very own sommeliers who can facilitate everything from wine guides to special event flight nights. Create upsale opportunities by having a wine steward at your service, pairing wines with hors d'oeuvres, select cuts of meats, seafood, and desserts. Your local Jackson Family Wines representative is ready to assist you in selecting a wine list tailored to your club, making sure your offering includes something for everyone and for every occasion. All at national account pricing with your VGM Club membership. Contact your local Jackson Family Wines representative and start bottling up savings today.